Subity, sub. And welcome to the stream. Today we are gonna okay, all good. Yeah, today we are gonna make custom crafting, and it's totally pain. So let me quickly open the chat. Oh my god, the thumbnail looks horrible. Let me quickly choose like just a random, you know, it's like a random shit. It doesn't show me. It doesn't show me in the preview. What? Come on. Oh yeah, no. I definitely don't want to use that, or else I'm might get in trouble. Okay. I had a thumbnail on my desktop. I just don't know where. Like, how was it called? Am I just stupid to find the thumbnail? Well, yes, I am. Just called MQ default. Okay. Can I save, please? Good. I'm not sure if it's saved. Let me quickly check live streams. Yeah, okay, so it's saved. Can you make, bro? Can you make add-on no KB like Hive? I don't really understand. Like Minecraft Bedrock 1.8. What? Why would you? Why 1.8? That's like. Why does it turn so weird? I swear it didn't before the stream. It just right now it did it. Anyways, the thing, I actually kinda already made the thing. It's just yeah, I accidentally deleted the file, so I had to make it new. And now I use a different method to check if this array is equal to the items in the slot. And yeah, I use the find method. I actually replaced almost everything with the find method, because apparently QuickJS likes that a bit more performance wise. So I'm obviously gonna be using that because this is pretty performance heavy, which I don't like. KB is knockback, yeah, I know, but like, how do you wanna make knockback, you know? Yeah, I know what knockback is. On servers, the only reason servers have such a weird knockback is because they use some different server software or are just laggy in general. So I don't see why that's a feature, or why that should be a feature to, you know, to worry about. What they could also be doing is messing around with the packages. But like, why would you want to do that? Like, yeah, why would you want to do that? So yeah, every time the recipe doesn't match, the one in the array will just return undefined, which is exactly what I want. Because I can check now, yeah, if the recipe matches. So if the recipe matches, so if find recipe, I don't think that that's how it works, Copilot. So we need to set the 16th slot to the result. Container.set item, but not 0, 16. Also, why is this wrong? Did I like forgot? No, that looks right. This, where did I? What? Oh, it's okay. Got it. So if I reload now, I should be seeing a item. Okay, I'm not. What is even find recipe.result? Is it like an item stack or? It doesn't even get to the point. Huh, that's not weird at all. Okay, I can try reloading again. Oh, so it was just me being not able to okay. I still didn't set the item. What's that? Is it like Discord? Find recipe. Your friend request. Let me check. Yeah. So that's you. Can I please see what find recipe is? Heh. If find recipe. Yeah, if find recipe. So. I mean, it is an object, so why does it? Yeah, if find it. Or maybe because one entry is undefined. Ah, okay. And then, nope. Find recipe dot result. Oh wait, but this will result in false, right? How about this? Maybe tomorrow you can do my German language homework. Man, you act like I know German. I mean, yes, I do. I can speak it, bro, but like text-wise, like Geschichtsanalyse or something like this, bro. Not so good. Reload. So, yeah, I have to let it reload, because else I... Okay, perfect. Now, yes, okay, so the result is this item stack. So it should... Wait, what is even container? Is it even defined? Yes, it is defined. So it will set slot 16 now to the slot. Watch this. Hey! Okay. Now we need to detect if the player has taken the sword. How would I do that? So, when the entity has laid, so when the recipe was laid, it will set entity.laid dot to true. This will only do it if it's false, so it will only set the item one time. If it's not true, because if I test for false and it's undefined, it will undefined is false. Okay, never mind that. Ich werde mein PP-Map-Projekt fortsetzen, also muss ich raus. Okay. Dann, viel Glück dabei. So yeah, oh yeah, I still have League of Legends open. See ya. Yeah, see ya. So, I'm gonna be setting entity.laid to true, and if entity.laid is equal to true, and the container.get item 16 is equal to air, or that's not or. I need to Google it now because I'm too stupid to. So if this or entity laid is equal to true, and yeah, Copilot, yeah, thank you. Did I mess up somehow? This is right, then this. How's that wrong? Did I like... Oh, I see. So this will detect the click and set it to false, and for I'm gonna be making a for loop that will clear out the slots. Right? Yeah, which array do we need to use for that? Exclude or slot. We could use either slot, so yeah, let's just well, I guess that was kind of what I wanted to do. So basically, if I run and reload, right, then my game crashes. Oh, that's new. Or, oh no, it's still stuck on the breakpoint. That didn't exist. Okay. Good. I don't know why it turns so weird, but yeah, so when we lay it down, it will say object. It will show the item. I take the item and almost correct. Like, if I wouldn't be this so yeah, it's air, of course. So, there's still some bugs that we need to fix, like, this works great. This is, like, the best we've gotten so far. Okay, the thing is, What if... Yeah, what if the item does not match anymore? Yeah, we need to do something like this, because right now it will just dupe the item, right? So you need to check if this is undefined, but we need to check if... Do we just need to check if that's undefined and not the... Well, we could just check if the find result is equal to this the slot, right? Is equal to this slot. So if find recipe this will throw an error, I know it, but I just want to see if my thing works. So if the result is not equal to get item 16, it will just set the slot to air. Like, I know that's gonna be throwing an error, but I just wanna see my mindset is correct. Yep, thought so. But we should be still able to see I is not defined. Oh yeah, that's supposed to be 16. Also, there was like a new extension for Minecraft. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, this one, I think. Basically what it does is if you change something in your code, it will automatically reload. Although I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doxing myself with that. So I have loopback isolation. So do I just need to start WebSocket server? Oh, I see. And then I just need to WS server E local host like this. Huh. I'd say yes. So yeah. Yeah, I just noticed that it doesn't even set the item anymore. Oh yeah, probably because, yeah, of course, it always has to be a new one. Because else it will just, oh, it just stop working for no reason. This one works. Oh, maybe I messed up somewhere. So if not find recipe, it will just set the item to, wait, yeah, we could just do that. No. Like, why even bother if we can just do that, you know? Like, we just reload. Oh, it automatically reloads, I forgot. Nope, that's... Yep, undefined. Cool. Now I do this, now I do that, and yes, okay. Yeah, of course. Can leak, please fuck off for a second. So we need to set entity.late here to false. Because at this point it's not late anymore. So, yeah, would you look at that? Okay. I have a theory. We need to like be sure. We need to make sure that every dupe glitch will not be will not. Oh yeah, if you break it, it will also drop all items in them. So it would technically be dupe 2, but I think I can make it drop no items. Yeah, I'm gonna be making it unkillable. If the player hits it, it's gonna despawn. Because when entities despawn, they don't drop stuff. So yeah, let me grab an anvil. I have a theory. So, I'm not sure if, like, does this work? Yeah. This is... Or... Okay. This is this. Or... It's not equal to... Container... Dot... No. It's not equal to... So actually we need to just... Oh yeah. Thank you, Compilate. And we just gonna use the ID because I'm pretty... Let's try it with the object first. If the object doesn't work, we're gonna make it... Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Let me quickly put this on the second screen so I can toggle the breakpoint. Like this. Just make a run. Okay. So. Get item is... What's the result? Yeah, so... Oh, kinda tired. So, result is... this. So, what is get item? So, what is container get item? And why is it not the same as result? I mean, if you're pretty lazy, you could just do this, right? I mean, it would work. I think. Let's see. Continue. Okay. I understand, okay. Okay. Where is it? Oh yeah. Like this. Yeah, now it will just throw undefined. So this works, this works. Okay, so what was even the arrow? Like this was the... I mean, it deleted or... it deleted or lever. Because nothing, if it's nothing, it will still delete stuff, right? At least this doesn't work. For now, yeah. It only works like sometimes. Yeah, so this is a bit loud, first of all. This is like a black hole. Because so because find recipe, so if not find recipe is yeah, is also undefined, right? So if it's undefined, is how would we check if, like, as of right now, this slot is just a black hole. Everything you put in there just completely vanishes because undefined doesn't match. Yeah, it's because of this. So every time you have a recipe, it won't clear because this ain't undefined. But how else we could check if there's even any item in there. Damn, I'm really making this for idiots, no? I mean, if people were smart, I would just leave it like this and say that that's their own fault, Lemao. But people aren't smart, so I have to, yeah. Like, how else would we remove the item? Like, for example, if I have an apple and I place it in here, it's just gonna delete the apple. I don't want it to delete the apple. I want the apple to stay in here. Just clear this one. Let me look into my not editor, because last time we did was yeah, this is basically the same, just a bit different. So this code was holy shit, I did. Yeah, now I know why this thing was so laggy. Like, look at this. Like, look at this. It is even bigger than my notepad. So, the problem is, how did we do it here? Oh no, we might need this for later. So I have two arrays. I check if the arrays are the same. And if slot 16 is there's just this one thing that I need to overcome, and then everything else works, right? Yeah. No dupes, no nothing. It's just that you can delete. Or actually, let me try out something. If we rename this item to Flint's, yeah, no, let's make it a bit more clear. To this, and lay it in here. What will happen? Guess I don't know if this is something good. I mean, an easy fix would be yeah, no, but for this fix to work, because yeah, okay, so thought so. Because if we now we could delete our very high valuable sword just by doing this, right? So if I here like this, I swap them out. They are basically the same. The only thing different is the name tag. If I take it away, it will delete it. It will give me a normal flint sword back. So that's also an issue. How about is the name tag also data? Or I have a better idea. Let's check if the name tag of the container.getItem method. Also, I'm gonna be replacing all the get item with just one constant, because then we are doing less function calls. And this will be so much better. So... oh wait, my mobile phone. So yeah, I'm back again. So let me check. So there's a name tag property. Let's try that one out. It's not equal to, yeah, that's exactly what I want. So theoretically, if we have a sword called if we replace it. No, but like, why? Oh, and it's not supposed to be and, it's supposed to be logic or. Then I just gotta copy all of this. Like this. Just replaced my flint sword. It just deleted it. Well, that's even worse. Let's undo that. To which point do I have to? So there are two main issues with this. The first one being that custom items can be the first one being that you can just delete items by simply putting them in the slot. So I would have to check if something is in the slot or not. I have an array of the items in the slot. I need to check if... Oh wow! I would have to check if... But I want it to be cleared. Just don't want any custom items to be cleared. How did I manage to do it in the old version? Hold up. Let me quickly just copy all of this. Oh no, but I used a different method to push air. No? Yeah. So how do we manage to okay. Okay. So I think I know how I did it in the old one. Because I let it only run once, right? Every time the entity.late was true. Wait, is it that simple? Is it just entity.late is equal to true? Well. Oh, but if I do this, it will still replace it. Okay. So where will it set it to? Yeah, it will set it to the item right here. So what we just need to do is to check almost copied if container.getItem is equal to air or the same thing just with undefined. Like this. Now let's break it for good measure. So block. I can lay whatever down. I can lay the recipe and it won't actually give me the recipe until I take that item. Oh my god, this is good, Okay. So even though I took this item out of the slot, it didn't replace the recipe. Okay, this is good. Now if I take this item, okay, this is... Ah, this is good, this is good, this is good. Okay, so now second issue. Can make add-on land buy or land sell? What do you mean land buy or land sell? Explain it a bit further. So, ever item named random, like random shit. If I try to replace it, yeah, this issue is still a thing. So, the problem is if I take the items out, it will delete this item. But this item is just not a flint sword, so you could theoretically, if you have like a crazy enchanted sword, yeah, we also need to check somehow for the name tag or like data in general. I think somewhere. Please reply me. Yeah, am I muted? No, I'm not. You need to explain to me what it is. Or am I muted? No, I'm not. So yeah, so we need to check if so this, it will only set the item to air, or the slots to air, if the item is air or undefined or doesn't match the ID or name tag or like data, right? Oh my god, I think Copilot is no, but like why aren't you doing your thing? This is some big text. I'm gonna be replacing each container to get item with a constant because performance. This will suck up so much performance. We can go in beta to see how much performance it actually sucks. And name tag, right? If the name tag. No, we need to. No, we need to just check for the name tag. Where is it? This is it. Dot name tag. So the one name tag is always gonna be undefined, no? Why is it so laggy? Why is it so laggy? Okay, now it's... yeah, now it's okay again. If I take this, it should hopefully clear the recipe. It did not. Let's... can we even debug? Okay, let's... honestly, let's just write it to a constant so we can see a bit more. Const slot 16 equal to... yeah. Although I'm not sure if we can even do that. Let's try. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. What is the first result? Yeah, okay. So let's dismiss this and replace. Yep. And save. So, better question is, does it still work? No, it does not. And I can tell you the exact reason for that. Because redefinition. The only reason that this worked was because of redefinition. Because if we do it like this, it would probably work, right? Nope. So yeah, we need to call slot 16 every time. Wow, that's really performance heavy. I didn't thought it would be that bad. I mean, we could make a function for that, which runs async to save like at least a bit of time. Also, I'm gonna be right back. What's up? I'm back with food. So, yeah, I will be eating because, yes. So, okay, I will be eating. Don't mind me. Just... Honestly, I'm not sure if it's even worth to put this in a function. Or if it will even work then. I think I'm gonna be muting myself. I'm not letting you guys suffer. Yes, what the fuck? Why doesn't it work anymore? Let's just use the timeline hack. Legit. The only thing that's different between the working and the not working file is this line. Why? Why would it matter? Why would it matter? Why? Did I like forgot something? So, is it true or not? Why is none of the conditions true? Look. Find recipe is not undefined. Recipe.result is also not undefined. Entity.late is false, so it's not equal to true. This condition on its own so this I wouldn't see a reason why this would stop me from yeah, it's false. So why does it just don't work anymore? Like it just decided to not work for like no reason at all. How is this condition not true? It doesn't make sense. Maybe I messed up get item. Like container, get item. 16. Maybe the world just needs a reconnect. Honestly, at this point I made so much shit. Maybe it just needs a reconnect. I'm not sure, is it connected to... the thing to the reload. Yeah, it just stopped working for no reason. How is this condition not true? So yeah, the VSS server is not online for some reason. Maybe now. Oh, that was the debugger. Let's just reload manually then. The old way. So yeah, it says it's false. How is it false? I'm gonna be checking every single condition until I find out what's wrong. Do not object. Yeah, tell me what's the object? Can't I like? The debugger wasn't connected, wasn't it? Like, please just... Why? Yes, cool, object. Oh, but it's object, so it's air. So it is air. Like, if I log the ID of it, it will just say air, right? Or not air, but like more like nothing, but still. Yeah, it logs out nothing, so it's air. So this is true. I don't get it. How is it false? How is the condition false? Okay, let's just take... Let's just take this condition. Maybe? Object. So we can even check whatever this object is, right? So we have find recipe, it's an object. You have the result. You have a grid. So find recipe is not undefined, it's an object. Find recipe.result is also an object. So if you just console log this, then we will get true. So yeah, this condition is true. So find recipe is also. So this one. What about this one? Is this true or not true? Reload. True. It is true. Entity.late is equal to false, so it's... So this one is also true. But apparently... this item stack, can I like, is there like a bool? Yeah, boolean. Just need to check if that's true or not true. Can by the way comment that out. So it's false. How is it false though? Who is get item 16 false? I mean, it would be the same thing as saying .id is equal to this, right? If we reload, it would say true, yeah. So should we just use that? Because my assumption is that there are different types of air because Mojang. So we would have to check always for each air type, which is okay. I just need. Yep, that. Yep. Why is Mojang being Mojang? Like why? This is condition false. Or even if it would be undefined. No, it was true if I logged out the ID, so what's the damn problem? I just need to replace it where it says air. Is there some more occurrences where air is present? 12 times actually. This one is correct, this one is correct, this one, this one, this one, yes, okay. Should be fine. Yay, it works again. Good. Let's rename it. Let's try to replace it. Perfect. So that works. Didn't I change the law for the pigment sword to be correct? Or do I just have it like an old, outdated version? Oh, it was a outdated version. It's not dimensions opening anymore. It's called Worlds Collide. Ooh. Worlds colliding. So yeah, that works I guess. There was... yeah, if it's undefined, it can't read ID of it because it's undefined. Why? Why is why? Stop making me suffer. That's unnecessary function calls. Just to make fucking game test or Mojang happy. Like when they said they're gonna replace the old scripting API. I didn't know that they are trying to make it even worse. Yeah, now it's obviously working again, like... but it's just unnecessarily laggy. Like, if we go into my secret folder that you guys can't see because There's nothing sus in it. Where's Skylandia? There. I just copy the script over to this one. Right, and then open preview. So yeah, we are now here. Now we are going to the world, into the world, and see that watchdog will be yelling at us. I think. Vielen Dank, dass du die Vorschauversion von Minecraft gespielt hast. Bitch, I didn't even play it. I'm playing it right now. Yeah, that's normal. So yeah, everything looks fine, as you can see, no lag. Yet. If I take out the... I'm just wondering how much more lag it created. So, the old crafter made like 0.6 0.6 milliseconds per crafter. Let's look at this one. None. There we go. 0.3. Replace one. It's 0.2. Yeah. So, 0.3. Yeah. Oh, what? I mean, we have 4, so we have 4 of them. I mean, it's certainly more performant, but I think the reason why it's more performant is because I optimized every other part of it. Also, why are they turning so weird? Like, I thought I fixed that. Also, funny, at a certain point, the server is just so laggy that it won't be able to process all those commands. You will see. So I wanna see how... Like, it's barely playable. Actually, it's kinda okay from the... Can we properly mana of apply mob effect? What? Oh, if I have an item in the hand, what's not something, and I hit the enemy. Okay, let's try it in the real Minecraft, because maybe it's just a beta thing. So we have an entity. Let's grab ourselves a Tamino. Faded. Oh, I never knew that this was a problem. And honestly, it never was until now. Oh, it's item use, not mana. 55 there. Do I just... If not weapon return? Is that it? that was the wrong Minecraft. Does this work? Don't worry about those arrows, but yeah, looks like it works. Yeah, looks good to me. Yeah, so it's taking damage, good. So at least that's not broken yet. Okay, we're back. I'm taking my... I have to bring my dish down because, yes. Yeah, I'm back. Okay. So... I'm not sure if the custom crafting works. Oh yeah, that's also a thing. Yeah, I will probably make those slots locked. Like, I knew you can somehow lock slots with like NBT. Or not NBT, but more like data. So this works. This works. This works. This works. Guys, I think it's working. Is there really anything that like doesn't work? Like I made it so noobs can't abuse it. I made it idiot proof. Well, not idiot proof because you can still do this. Which we will fix, of course. Although, I'm not sure how. Sorry. So, yeah, item components. There are 4 item components that you can use. Oh my god, this is so depressing. So, you could use replace item for the entity to replace those slots with... Oh, if you do it with replace item, you might as well just run the commands async. to, well, reduce lag. No, issues can only be applied to blocks. That's a lie. Can only be used. Okay, let's see. Dude, I made this soundtrack like. It's like the 5th time now I'm making it. Yeah. Oh, now there's a. Okay, so let's check if there is even a lock component outside of Minecraft, like item lock. Like if I want you to guys to see it. Item lock. There's no lock. It's only block. Bro, we were already by. So if I try to get the component and supported by the API. The better question is, what are the components you can get? I mean, it's just. What can you see? Ah, yes, my research. So it's not just a component, right? So you can't just say like lock or item. No, like there's no item lock. So the only way to do so is with replace item. Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, I'm just gonna copy the example. That's so stupid, by the way. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? That's the item use. Right here. Here it sets the item. I'm just gonna run command async or entity dot run command async. I'm just gonna replace item. Almost. I just need to know the slot thingy because it's not it's for sure it's and it's the same YouTube autoplay is really weird sometimes. Is there like any songs that I can use? I could still throw in the Pentakill playlist. Yeah, let's after the song let's do the Pentakill playlist. Okay, so I just want to know the slot ID because replace item. Oh yikes! This is not laggy at all. So you have. Okay, so you have slot type, And then the slot ID. Okay, so slot dot hotbar? What? Equipable ender chest. You can replace you can replace the ender chest? What? Let's try slot dot chest. Right? Or let's try Copilot. What the fuck? Shows me Copilot. Come on. Oh, it doesn't know. I think this will just error out. I can close that, by the way. But honestly, I hate this bug. I fucking hate this bug. Like this. Oh, wrong entity. I'm not sure why it's saying wrong variable and stuff, but oh. The only thing that I know for sure is that this is not supposed to happen. Maybe there is no such. Let's try hotbar. How can I? Nope, it's not hotbar. Oh god, Mojang. So you can make it an array. Nope, that's a condition. Inventory. Oh, maybe just inventory. Why? Let's just try run command without async. Oh. Add as. Why are you crying about add as? Oh, entity. Let's throw on the pentakill playlist. Okay. Yeah, I'm the Lightbringer. Yeah, this should work. How many you have entered is small. Must be at least one. Oh, it's ID amount or amount ID, I don't know. Perfect. It was the other way around. Well, that's funny. Are you fucking kidding me? What? I can still take them out of the inventory. I can still take them out of their inventory, but not from mine. Are you fucking... Look at this! Look at this! What is this, Mojang? Explain yourself, please. Look at this. This is so much worse because you can do this for some reason. Let's run it only one time. So when it completes the loop, it will just say like entity.com butter. Yeah. Entity.completed slots equal to true, and this will only do it if it's not true. Oh, it's not comma, it's an and. Like this. They can still be taken away from the entity. Mojang! Fix your game! Fix your game, Mojang. Can't be moved. Oh, but guess what? You can move them. You can move them. Just, of course, not in my inventory. It would be lame if I could move them in my inventory. Why? This game gonna hurt me so badly. Then how else am I gonna lock the slots? Mojang! Fix your goddamn game! Oh, I'm gonna be... Should we try? I don't even wanna try it, but like... Let's try it with the replace command, like the... Let me run it, because I'm cool. Like... But should do this, I don't know. So 16, the name is gonna be the first one when I type N. Name tag, okay. Then the item name. Maybe this is causing the issue. The item name, because it's null. Or is it? Wait, no. Now is the amount. Like, I wish I could see it at least. Like, then the data. Then the component. That's just gonna be... I love the auto completions for this, by the way. This is not weird at all. Look at this, guys. I can just take it out of here. That just makes no sense. Honestly. You know, it might be because I have a runtime identifier of a armor stand. Should we try it without the armor stand runtime identifier? I gotta try it, right? That's not true. Guys, do you think it will work? Hello, my mouse. Thank you. So, it's so weird. Why can I take them out of the inventory? That's not weird at all. Like, look at this. Like, wow, this is just so. Why? Look, blank slot, can't move. Items can't be moved, dropped, removed, crafted with. Guess what? Oh, I mean, I guess I can't drop it when I press Q, so gotta give them that. But I can remove them with right click. I cannot place them back. I can remove them with right click and place them again in my inventory. Look at this. Guys, those people are getting paid for what they do. Those people are getting paid. Okay? Those people get paid to code the game. Sing this? That's 100 years of development right here. Like what? Oh my. Perfect. So, great. We need the other solution. Like, even if I run it with a command, right? Like, this, right? I still can take it out of the inventory. Like what? Look at this. The item is locked, guys. You can see it, right? Name tag. Can't move. Items can't be moved, dropped, removed, crafted with. Guess what, guys? Guess what is about to happen? Maybe there's like a... Where's the other one? Guys, should I report this? Because I don't think that it's supposed to be working. No, because... this is not cursed at all. Or is there like any other way I can make a item not movable? Like I know there is if you like cancel the package. I mean, I could at least try to warn the player or not delete his items. But this is just the biggest... Or what also might be a thing might be the container actually. Because there's inventory, right? So I feel like I should not run this async. Anyways, what if it's not inventory? What if... like, I can tell what type of inventory this is supposed to be, right? So, container type. What is there even? Minecart chest. Katapa, container, inventory. Yeah, there's container and inventory. If I just do inventory... maybe you can? Guys, maybe you can pull out stuff from containers but not from inventories. You know what I mean? Okay, yeah, I forgot the entity. This is sad. This is just sad, guys. I mean, it cancels the packet for some reason. Like, it still cancels the packet, right? But it's really buggy. Like, why can I still take them out of here? And I bet if I do it fast enough, can even like get one. I mean, honestly, it cancels the packet. Oh, there we go. I jinxed it. I just want to say it cancels the packet really well, but it just gave me the item, and I can still take them, even though It should be not like this. Oh, now I can remove it from this inventory. Oh, what a surprise. What a surprise. Like, I know that if you like hold it, you have a higher chance to like, if you like drag it. There we go. 2 for 1. Yeah, see? It just deleted my spawn eggs. If I kill it, obviously we'll get spammed with those things. Like, it's an inventory. Now it refuses to show me the container type. Minecart chest. The heck is even that? But I guess we will see. Like, there's gotta be at least one of those options working. Like, I don't care which one it is. What I know for sure is that it's not this one. I'm just wondering why it works decently with inventory, but do I even have to have a container type? A hopper. There's a Minecraft hopper and a hopper. Guys, hopper or Minecraft hopper? Which one is nicer? Which one is more nice? Like, even with this one. Oh my god, no. So, we won't use hopper. If one thing for sure, then this one. Let's try to use nothing. Maybe we don't need a container type, you know? Okay, we need a container type. Minecart chest. Oh, it's a minecart hopper, not Minecraft. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Sorry. Maybe horse. Maybe you can take stuff from horse. Doesn't even allow me to access it now. Inventory seemed to work best for me. Oh. Or not, or it was just copium. I mean, those slots will be cleared, but like, that's not the main purpose of this. Like, this is the main purpose of it. You can just delete items with one click. Like, why, Mojang? Like, imagine I wanna craft something and I misclick, but because this item failed to work, I now have a blank slot. Like, even if I give a name tag, it moves. Why? Okay, I think I'm gonna be reporting this or whatever. I'm just gonna ask for a solution for this on like Discord. I don't know. I'm not sure what to do from here. Like, you shouldn't be able to move it, but you can, which is shit. So yeah, that's it for a stream. We actually made a decent crafting system.